What's up, my babies? Welcome back to my channel. And as by the title, you already see what's going on. Like, ain't no need to ramble, ain't no need to talk over this. Like, I'ma just let y'all sit there and watch. But I first want to say thank you to Young Beauty Hair for collabing with me to do this video. Y'all, this is my first time of ever getting a kinky straight wig. Like, so much stuff that I did not know that kinky hair is. It's so crazy. But look, y'all, bear with me on this whole install because this is my first time even having this texture. Like, I never had this texture, so y'all gonna see that. Y'all gonna notice whenever I get to the doing my baby hairs, because I did not know after I flat ironed it was gonna curl. I did not know it was gonna curl back up like what it did. But anyways, like I said, I ain't gonna do all that ramble. I just want to show y'all this install and show y'all this texture of this hair because it was beautiful. Everything was nice. I love the puffiness and everything about the hair. Like, it was so full and pretty. But anyways, y'all, now to the install. So I just went put down the alcohol and everything so I could protect my skin. Also make sure, you know, I'm cleaning all that makeup and everything off. So I'm going in with one layer of, I think that's Ghost Bond. Yeah, that's Ghost Bond. And I got like this rose. I got the Ghost Bond rose, and I think it's the only difference is like the scent part. But yeah, so I'm just going in with that, my first layer. And now I'm going on to my second layer. Normally I put just 2 to 3 layers. It depends on how long I want it to last. I didn't want this to be in my head for so long, so I just did 2 layers just for this install because I knew I was going to end up taking this out. So y'all, I'm just letting that dry, and now I'm gonna end up making a cut because I don't know why, I just like to have that cut on the side just for me to at least start it. But y'all make sure y'all put in y'all wig before the glue. I cannot stress that. Make sure y'all put y'all wig in front of the glue, because if you need to go back and like lay anything down, it will be easier for you to just literally put glue on the tip of your rat tail comb or whatever y'all using to just go and apply that, versus having to mess like the whole front part just being messed up. But anyways, I'm going to clean up my part. Just kind of getting it straight. It took me some time because, like I said, y'all, this is a really thick wig. I'm really trying to get into a different wax stick. So y'all, if y'all got some good wax sticks that y'all think is real good, leave them in the comments because I need some more. I need something different. I don't need that white residue or none of that on my wigs while I'm doing this. So I'm just going look and see what I need to cut and how much I need to cut. I always start in the middle just because everybody's different. So then I go on my sides, but and just cut that off. I kind of cut too much, but it's okay. Your girl fixed it. So yep. And then I'm gonna go on my other side and do the same thing. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see what's going on. And then look at it. Once I did that, it was just like, it just melted. Like, so I'm trying to see where my baby, like how I want my baby hairs, if I wanted to be dramatic or how I wanted to do that. I wish I would have not put as much edges out. Because like I said, I was not expecting I really wasn't expecting for them edges to curl after I went and flat ironed it and did all of that stuff. So that was crazy. But y'all gonna see in a few though. Okay, here goes to my favorite part. I don't know why this is like my favorite part, but making sure your middle part is crispy. Like, making sure it is just perfect in the middle. So I'm just plucking that. Like, I need to create the path. Like, it was like, Rihanna, come on, create the path on this wig because you can't see it. And a natural scalp, you can definitely see it. On a natural human being, you're definitely going to see your scalp. So, like I said, I'm just going in and like making sure the part is right. I'm end up going put my makeup and everything down so I can like, y'all see it. Just like that. Just like that. Y'all put the makeup on before y'all use the black spray. Put the makeup on before. And what I like to do specifically, because everybody is different, I do not like to pull my string. I just like to let it fall in place. And then boom. Spray it and then boom. Y'all see that? Like, do y'all see that? It's just giving scalp. Like, I'm not even playing. Like, but y'all, here goes this. Yeah, here goes the part where I'm like, this is about to mess up. This is about to mess up. And it did. So y'all, look, I'm just flat on it, just cutting it, trying to see. Y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all the first step that I messed up. I'm still flat ironing it. Still flat ironing it. I put the got to be glue, y'all. If y'all know, black people hair, when you go to put that on your, it's gonna curl up just like that. It's gonna curl up. But watch it. Y'all gonna see it. Like, y'all know after y'all flat iron your hair and then put the got to be glue on there, like, oh, I messed up. It's gonna start curling up everything. But your girl managed, so it was okay. It was okay because it really did turn out nice. So now I'm done doing all that talking. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all, I was struggling. Like really trying to get it to to lay down. It wasn't trying to do it, y'all. See, look. See, I was even trying to see what I wanted to do with that. So I said, you know what? I'm just cut this piece. I'm gonna cut this piece, or I'm like gonna just put it back. And I end up, as y'all see right there, I end up putting it back because I'm like, I don't got time for this. It's just too much. It was just a lot going on. So yeah, all that started coming up. So I'm like, I'm cut it. So I'm gonna do the same thing that I did to my right side to left side. Yeah. So yeah, y'all see it. Okay, so as I'm getting towards the end, I'm spraying my cheese spray on there. And I love that. I don't know why, y'all. I just love that spray. It, like, really just holds everything together. Then it smells phenomenal. So, I'm just putting that in there. Before I put my scarf on there, I just was, hot combing everything back. So, I went to do some, y'all, I'm going to tell y'all the truth. I did flexi rides after I'm like, okay, the wine curls ain't giving me what I wanted to give. But then the flexi rides end up not turning out good. So I had to go back and wine curly. So then here goes this. Boom. Boom. Look at me. It definitely came out bomb. So y'all catch me on the next video. Love y'all, love y'all, love y'all.